Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can make Google Chrome as the default browser on Windows 11. See here, I already downloaded Google Chrome and installed on my Windows 11 laptop. See, this is the Windows 11 laptop. So if you don't know how to download this Google Chrome and install, I already did a video on that. If you want the tutorial, go through the description. I have a link there. So to make the Google Chrome the default browser, first you need to click on this Windows symbol. Yeah, to get the options. Click on this. So you'll get this option on Windows 11 settings. You need to click on the settings. And it is very easy. It is just a single step enable option to set default browser. Yeah, under apps, you need to click on apps. Under apps, there is a section called default apps. Tap on this. Yeah, here you can search directly as the Chrome, or you can just use this scroll bar to find the Google Chrome. Yeah, see here, this is the Google Chrome. You need to tap on here. Right now it is not yet the default browser. I need to set it. So I'll just click on the set default. So there will be a tick mark symbol. For example, now you have Skype on your Windows 11 laptop. If someone sends a web link, means HTTP link or the any website link, if you click on that, uh, that link will be opened directly on the Chrome. Not only on Skype, for that matter, for you have click any link on your computer, it will open through Google Chrome. This is how you can set or make Google Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice